Hello everyone! Welcome back to another video, I guess. And today we will be playing a game called Rocket League. You can get it on either Steam or Epic Games. And on Epic Games you can get it for free. And if you also play Fortnite, there are also some Llamarama challenges you can get to get rewards in Rocket League and also Fortnite. So, with that said, let's get into the video. So today I'm thinking of maybe some Rumble. Anyways, let's do this. And also, I do not have the in-game playlists on for specific copyright reasons that I seriously don't want to feel like going through with right now. So, because I got caught, because my team got caught 3 times in a row. Remember, guys, stay hydrated. And also, the fun toppers, the antenna things, and engine sounds are cool. Like that. Oh boy. I did something. Boink! It's going right off the bat, baby! Oh, yes. Oops. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, boy. No! Wait. Yes! I did not know who's. I kind of forgot that was our goal. That was, the enemy team's goal for a sec. Beep! Boink. No, I almost had the goal. Wee! No! No! Well then. So that's how we want to play, huh? I'm gonna sit back on goalie. Boop. Get out of here. Whee! I also love this car for specific reasons. No! No, 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 no. Yes! Just got spice, boy! No, 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 no. No. No! I had it! I fucking had it! Boing! Yeah. I hate you so much. Speed, speed. Ow, fuck. I got it. I hate you! No, 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 not the spikes, not the spikes, not the spikes, not the spikes, no. Oh, thank God. Hey, come with me if you want to live. I hate you. No, seriously? I hate you. Ow! Strength! Oh! Okay, so that's what it does. On the ball, on the ball, on the ball, on the ball, on the ball. Yeet! No, 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 no. Bad, 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 bad! Wee! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I got the plunger. That can be super helpful. No. Not in this case, not in this case, not in this case, not in this case. No! Man, I wish I could. Man, I wish I had enough credits so I could craft stuff. So I think I have a blueprint for like one of the things for like if you score. I have no idea what they're called. Please forgive me. Oh, we cannot go into overtime. Oh, no, 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 no. Ha! Frick! No! How'd they score? Seriously? Well, at least someone needs to be on goal. Clearly, someone needs to be the goalie. Yeah! Yoink. I did something. No! Oh my, no! Oh, that was awful. Oh. Mm. Sadly, I only have 15-minute limit time recording. So, I don't know. Um, well, that did not go well. I'll do a part 2 to this video since I only have 15-minute time slots like I already said. So, yeah, part 2 it is. So, yeah. See you in part 2. Yes, I can. Hey, Zella. I'll see you in part 2.